anyways, I've got a surprise for Oobi. You know, since I got a phone for Uma last time, and then I picked up my special cup. So that was mainly a surprise for me and Uma. But now, for Oobi. Oobi!
What?
Oh, are you a grandpa?
No.
There can only be one. Anyways, I got a surprise. Look away.
No peeking. Okay.
A monster truck.
A monster truck?
Yes.
Just for me?
You. Swear to God, that kid has no manners. Spitting.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Spitting in my face. Disgusting. Pick. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna cheat on Oobi since Oobi's not here. Oh, yeah. Oobi.
I got my monster truck.
Oh, perfect. Let's finish playing Eagles versus Alligator.
Eagles versus alligators so yesterday.
Let's play monster truck. Okay.
But Monster Trucks is too, like, boyish. Let's try, like, a different
Do you understand? Me.
Yes. Sorry.
Good.
But can we play something else? Like,
Yeah, we'll go play.
how about we have a play date together, me and you? No Monster Truck. Play, draw, sing, and, what else?
Play.
We can play... What
Real?
was it called? Grown Up. We can play Grown Up.
Grown up. Okay, let's
Yeah,
go. Go
come
ahead.
on,
You
yeah.
first. Yeah.
Anyways, let's play Grown Up now, Oobi. I will play as Grandpoo since he's not here, and you can play as Uma, I guess.
Okay.
Oh, hello.
Let's get our voices ready. Hello.
Hi. Yeah.
Who's gonna be Oobi?
I don't know, but this Uma loves monster trucks. Yeah, this grown-up, look, watch. You got my grocery, and I'm running from. Yeah, monster trucks. Come on, let's go.
There we go. It's all taped, and of course, the most important thing, the drawing utensil. Oobi!
Bye.
We're gonna be drawing. Come on! It's a play date, sister and brother, right? Yeah, I'm gonna draw a. Let's draw a flower. Perfect. I'm not that very much of a good drawer, but I tried.
Let's do this thing where we draw two pictures and see who's the best.
Oh, who's the best? All right. You can try.
That's your first one down. I'm gonna draw.
But I got you the blue. I got you the blue pencil for you.
Monster truck. Oh yeah. Alright, your turn, Uma.
Let's do. How about this? There, instead of drawing. There, Oobi and Uma.
I know what to draw. The upgraded monster truck. Oh yeah. I win. Uma, okay?
Oh, yeah. Now, no monster truck. Some quiet music and creativity. Now let's put on some relaxing music. Oh yeah, Oobi and Uma on a play date, having fun together. We are playing with toys instead of monster trucks. Oh yeah. Now that's music to my ears.
Well, Uma,
Ooh.
Oobi start sing. Right, turn on that. Turn off that epic music.
What?
Dirty game monster truck,
Monster trucks everywhere.
Uma, problem?
Uma problem? Uma problem? Yes, Uma problem. Monster truck.
Problem.
Uma, monster truck, fun.
Monster truck fun. Let's do a little Super Bowl, a little poll. Are monster trucks fun? Let's vote.
Uma, well, if Uma act like little in monster truck fun, then that makes Uma boring.
Uma boring?
Uma boring.
Uma boring? Uma boring? Uma boring? You, Oobi. Oobi thinks I'm f***ing boring? He thinks I'm f***ing boring? Uma,
show him
Uma,
boring.
stop! Uma, stop! Stop! No! Instead, let's play Smashing Trucks! You're getting Uma boring! Uma smashed my monster truck! She smashed the new one that you gave to me! She smashed it! She smashed it! See it here! It's over here! See? It's it was right there! She even smashed it! Uma! Uma!
What?
The monster truck and the hammer! Where is it? Uma?
Did you smash monster truck? No, I didn't do such a thing.
Don't you f***ing lie.
You're a f***ing lie. He's lying.
No, I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
He smashed his own monster truck and gave it away to Keiko.
What? No, I would never do such a thing.
And he hit me and called me boring. Okay, I'll do my boy.
No, the boy part was true, but she smashed my toy.
She's my toy. I don't really care. Do the same thing. Turn around. You were sitting in this corner for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, that's too far.
Turn around now. That's what you get. That's what Oobi gets. Play date over. Monster truck gone.